Need a side dish that looks and tastes gourmet but only takes minutes to make? This coconut curry brown rice is your new secret weapon. The aromatic blend of spices and creamy coconut milk is what elevates this dish. Best of all, you can cook everything in this dish in one large pan. Here's the recipe. Start by rinsing 1.5 cups of brown rice. You can use your preferred type of rice if you want, but be sure to cook it according to the package instructions. Turn your burner on medium heat and place a large skillet on top of it. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to the pan along with a 1/4 cup of diced white onion. Cook the onion for about 5 minutes. After that, add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Let that cook for 1 to 2 minutes while occasionally stirring to ensure nothing burns. For our seasonings, we're using 2 teaspoons curry powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon crushed red chili flakes. Mix everything together. Add your rinsed rice to the pan and mix everything together. Let it cook for about 2 minutes while occasionally stirring. Add 1 14.5 ounce can of low sodium vegetable broth. Then add 1 13.5 ounce can of light coconut milk and stir everything together. Turn your burner on high heat and bring it to a boil. Once the rice starts to boil, cover it with a lid and let it simmer on low for about 35 to 40 minutes. After 35 to 40 minutes, check to ensure all of the liquid has been absorbed and the rice is fully cooked. Begin plating your dish with your rice. Garnish with chopped green onions and additional crushed red chili flakes. And you're set to serve your coconut curry brown rice. It's delicious on its own, but you can pair it with your choice of protein and vegetables as well. It will last up to 3 days in the fridge, so you can enjoy these leftovers for several days. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.